to Learn Smart Manipur. Learn Smart Manipur na mayam butaram kaukshari. Ngasi ki mari suba episode ta koi na tamgada bo para si letter writing ni. Hariba letter writing asi 5 marks SSLC 2025 ta 5 marks ta hangani. The hariba letter writing sida kari koi na kamai prepare to biya hai do koi charapama ye ngasi ko. Haji play letter writing 5 marks le. Hariba 5 marks sida kari letter format hangba yage haibdo koi chawpam yengsi letter sida amada formal haiba ma hangbi ai or informal haiba ma hangbi ai chawpam yengsi formal hai ta di yam cham na yam lu na khalunu formal hai ta di official the people letters sing formal na ko wahi wata haiba kan da bana dang haibi adaba ko yeng bebar ya ro sinaba wahi sing sinara kan gi ga do ni formal letters da then again informal hai ta di ko na ko gi chi da the friend da inaw da ko kura da mama da haiwa myam se ko ibam kan da ko na kai karamba type sinagani informal letters sinagani ko formal letter da ko exam da kari hangkhre madi kari hangbo yai topic sing habe drop yengsi formal letter da yaw ga si official letter haibama then letter to the editor and business letter and application and makata wa khadi lady tawu du SSLC gi oina sigi haiba mari sida dum ayam basi manung se yawa ani ko then informal dagi di personal letter ngasai personal letter do ko sima hangani ngasai SSLC da formal natraga ko gi informal sida or chalaga koi hangba yai or else ngasai letter to the editor ma hangakanda then application ma hangba yai or ngasai official letter ma hangba yai natraga business letter hangba yai ko do ayam matam da personal letter ga ngasai top formal amaga dum or chapli chanai ko du tambadi gamde tabudu koina 1 2 3 sigi mari manga ko sigi letter manga se koina kai gum haita di sidagi di na thok do ba later na khali na ko aduna yenga si aham badal lai koi official letter formal gi official amadi letter to the editor then applicant si me ahum je dum format si manai sarau ma koi format se kamai igni what are the formats to write formal letter writing hai to koi tarok ko yengsi ko so official letter format ta kai hana igni ahambada you have to write the sender's address on the left side of the page to the left side thambada the sender's address ibigane habidi sender's address habidi city idiba midugi address to ni ko city thani ba midugi address to akoina hamba left side corner da koina sender's address igani adugi makhada date igani haiba date adu koina iba kanda section gada budi date of full day igadubani 17 March 2024 ki type this minor higher kanda koina full day igadubne ko aduna koina head iba kanda koi date format is -17/03 then 2024 and is my e se ya de gandaba that's mine ina de ko adu ira matung da receiver's address chithi nang iriba chithi do kana da thari bano haibu gi address do koina receiver's address hai adu receiver's address is omu ibirani adu matung da nang subject se tang sangsila kanda subject thabirani ba subject sina haibu si kai no aini iriba chithi si kai maram gi no what is the reason ko adu do nang stage da why do nang why gi answer the sigi answer nang sigi haiba subjects de ibirani ko then mathang the salutation ko sir natraga madam salutation pirani then adi makhara ko introduction irani ko introduction ira matung da next da asagi body dom ibirani de matung da body ira matung da conclusion irani conclusion paragraph iralor matung da koina signature tawrani sumaina yours faithfully sincerely happy magi according to the demand of the question then you have to change the tawu if you write yours faithfully sigi faithfully say itadi everywhere even if it is in the case of personal letter the form yours faithfully as it chana gani ko soira the yours faithfully say yaring kai ibiba phayena khale di ko adu your habi ade sigi yours ai si ko is tap ka dabani si pronoun ni this is not si pronoun ani igadubani nang na that's the your haita di that's determiner on greko determiner ibaya this your habi ade this is wrong you have to write yours si igadubani yours ani igadawne ko aduga nang sign tawni say question ga if you are Tom hai ta you have to write Tom, you are Khamba then you have to write as Khamba ni adu simi ay ko. This is the format for writing correct masagi official letter ma ida official letter si format se khangbu kan nang khang biba mayam si kai no haragadi official letter khang bada number 1 the official letter khang en khalasi adu the khang gi se letter to the editor ma loya bani khang abu bani ko letter to the editor ga format manara do bani then mathang da application su manara do bani ko application su manara do ni sigi format then again nasagi business letter gi format su manara tabu tabu khitang business ki namu some words ko when iba kanda words kara extra words kara kona ithokpa ko sumba kara isanaba yai ko business letter gi ko do amuk yengsi business letter amuk kamani igani have da to gi format amuk hoi amuk yengsi ko so when a business letter uba kanda ko business letter le hariba business letter ki format se samana ne yengsi ape chop pat ko asai gi hariba station ire ko same with the letter to the editor format having asai official letter ki format to cha manai ko official habidi kano to gi formal ga asai hariba format se lona cha managani habidi sender's address irani mathang date to full day ibirani then receiver's address ibirani ko then subject ibirani mathang the salutation and sir or madam salutation ibirani ko adu matung da intro lani cha manadra sa intro lani then body lani conclusion the thank you pa si conclusion lani sine intro ni this is the intro this is the body ko sine body laire and then this is the conclusion le sine conclusion laire ko then the sign tore yours faithfully then xyz sine kai tore sine signature laire yanta bi chamane format ti tabu tabu koina nga sa intro se kari iba ya ge sini sa intro se da koina kari on iba ya koina iba kan so si adu noi chara ko phara sala su yare ko so kindly send me intro the ko kindly send me the following books by VPP at your earliest convenience ko at your earliest convenience a sum of rupees 500 is being sent herewith by TMO as an advance against the orders nasagi TMO in a thare sin mai je ko kindly send me the following books by VPP at your earliest convenience ko then a sum of rupees 500 is being sent herewith by TMO as an advance against the orders hai ko then they nang book ki oitaradi nasagi name of books ibirani stage da ko kai lyric no science la maths la then nasagi English la ko ibirani then author maming yaw ta author maming ibirani then number of copies oitari na number of para ara kunla chamara do ko si copies maming irani do thank you just simple as that ko adu kana thank you har kana lotion ni ko VPP have after the karino har kana VPP means value payable by post adi post ko value payable post habani TMO haita di transit mail ko office ke haba lo me am se ko nismaina nasai gi chapcha na nasai gi format sing de ko ni iya kanda nyom chom ni ira kanda ma nyom chom na phangani I think si mayam se aina mayam khange na khali aduna iramba kanda sigi format se fadana follow tautaradi I think you will excel in ISSLC examination the coming ISSLC examination aduga sigi ani suba part makha chathagi gani madudai da question metric ta hangiba question khara lauraga koina ibado koina tamgani aduda kramaina koina metric ta na kari question lakali ko adu haibna chingo mayam do next video da pai ini tamna si nati faida video solution jarage thank you for watching Learn Smart Manipur. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe for more content. Let me know your thoughts in the comment sections below and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.